Welcome back to HTML tutorial for beginners.
Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a HTML document and write hello world on the HTML and going to view that in the browser. That's what we are going to see. Let's see how to do that. So first I have opened the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a very popular code editor, and if you don't have Visual Studio Code, you can go to Google, search for Visual Studio Code or download VS Code and go to the very first link, which is code.visualstudio.com, and depending upon your operating system you can download the respective file and just double click it and install it. That's it. And if you launch the app, you will see something like that. So I have already opened the hello world, and if hello world is a folder name I have created, and if you want to create a folder, if you want to go to any folder, go to file and open folder. It will open the folder pane. From there you can select the folder. So I have already opened it, so I'm going to create a new file called hello world.html. So now you can note it down that the file extension is HTML, which define the web page that it's a HTML file and it has to be rendered on the browser. So the very first line of any HTML is a doc type followed by space and then HTML tag. So this define that this document is an HTML5 document, and followed by you have to use the HTML tag. If you just type HTML and click on enter, it will automatically create the opening and closing tag on Visual Studio Code. But you don't have this option if you are writing this in any text file or any code editor. So that's why I suggest you to use any of the popular code editor tool. So this is a HTML tag, and it opens with angular bracket, close with another angular bracket, and this tag ends with open angular bracket followed by slash and tag name, which is HTML, and closed angular bracket. So any HTML tag will follow the same syntax. The only difference is the tag name will differ. So instead of HTML, you have to apply the tag name that you want to render it on the web page. So all the HTML tags that you are going to uh, create for your web page should go inside this HTML tag. This is a root element of HTML page. So normally a basic HTML contain HTML tag and head tag. So head tag contain the metadata information about HTML page like title and viewport and other detail that we will see in the upcoming video. So for this video, I'm going to put a title inside the head tag. So to define the title, just type title followed by enter, and you can define the title, and whatever title you are giving here, that you can see it here at the top. Okay. Next, followed by head, you have a body tag. So whatever the content that you see after this address bar from here to here should go inside this body tag. For example, this header and this content and footer should go inside the body tag. So first we are going to create one heading. So h1 is a large heading in HTML. So what are the text you type here should be rendered as a large heading. And we have a paragraph tag, and the name of the tag is P, and whatever you put inside this paragraph should render as a paragraph on the web page. Let me type this. Okay, now we have created a basic HTML. So to view this web page, you can click on this go live, but before that you need one extension called live server. Just search for live server and install this extension. You will see go live here. Just save this HTML file and click on go live. So now you can see that we have given the title and that is shown here, followed by body. Body won't generate anything, but as I already mentioned, anything that goes from here to here should go inside the body. We have h1 tag and that is rendered as a heading, and we have a paragraph tag and that is rendered as paragraph on the web page. And I'll tell you one more shortcut. So now we have typed all the HTML tag one by one, but to generate this template, just cancel all this one, type exclamatory followed by tab. So now this will generate a basic HTML template, and from there you can add or design the web page as you want. So this is a shortcut available in the Visual Studio Code. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.